So this is the kitchen that was renovated by HomeDesign. My experience with them was beyond exceptional. Everything that we had imagined when we first looked at this home, they made come true, from the renderings to the completed project. Very much on schedule, completed the job. Expectations were set from the get-go, so there was no mystery bills, no mystery allegations. It was all thorough, and job was completed to the expectations. From the opening of the walls to setting the LVLs, all the permits were granted and acquired by HomeDesign to completion. I recommend HomeDesign for your next renovation project. They do an exceptional job. They do set the standard for this Northern Virginia area and how home design and home renovation should be taken.